this and a hole drilled to these little plates. I'm going to be using this device. What is this? This is a Whitney metal tool, which is now Roper Whitney Corporation 20-ton metal punch. And one of the best parts about this thing is I have a 7/16, which is a little bigger than this hole. They still make these. If you see one of these online, pick them up. They're great. They're, what do you call it? They're absolutely amazing, these things. They're awesome tools. And what I'm going to do is change out the punch. I got to order 1 or 2 more punches. I don't use a lot of them. Like, I don't use them all the time. But when I do need this thing, oh man, is it coming handy. Like, it's done many it's pretty easy to change out the, okay, there's that punch. This, I think I was doing 1/2-inch holes. It says it can do up to 1 inch thick, but man, you gotta put some juice in here if you want to do 1 inch. Also, you need a 1-inch wrench to wrench this open. I don't know which way it goes. It doesn't take much pressure. Gotta loosen it up, and it's you basically gotta loosen it, go down, and draw the punch back up. It's really cool. Why did I buy one? Because I saw one on YouTube. Why else would I buy one? There we go. There's a little bit of stuff on the side chunked off, but you take this out, and there, and this goes in like so. Goes in there like that. There. And you plop it in here, and you kind of just screw it back in, which, if I remember correctly, it goes this way now. Which way does it go? Come on. Make a fool of me, damn punch. Doesn't always line up perfect. And you gotta watch, you strip this thing, you're gonna have serious problems. I'm usually pretty careful. This does not want to cooperate. Come on. Let's see. Come on. There we go. I'll move the camera in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. See, that thread's not lined up. There we go. Come on. Sometimes the thread or the dye inside it doesn't sit right. The dye has to go up in there and lock in place. If it doesn't sit right, it won't get in there. What the hell's going on? This damn thing. There we go. It's cool when I contacted Roper Whitney about getting new dies for this. They were like, "Oh yeah, which one you got? Here's the manual." They were really, really helpful. And I know they have all kinds of fancy hydraulic ones like this, but if you want a really cheap alternative to buying I mean, you can buy a mag drill and all kinds of stuff, but if you're just doing stuff, small hobby stuff, this lines up perfect. There we go. Let me move the camera and show you what I'm gonna do. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go any further. Anyway, you can't really see what I'm doing. If you take this, oh, and the bar that I use for this, which I just realized, guess what? The bar, the pry bar for this thing, is what's holding the camera up. So I gotta use the super giant one that came with it, which I guess was a homemade job. You just kind of, there we go. And then if you want to get it out of here, that in there, and I'll pop it back out. There we go. And the 1, 2, 3 punch, that's what you get. So, slug's still in there. The dies have little points on them. What I do is I stamp in it, the point gets it caught in there. So let's see this now. Oh, and just so you know, a longer bar is a lot easier. There we go. Second one. My light's shaking. The reason why I put the wrench there on the side is when the die gets stuck in there, and these are bolts supposed to be made to keep whatever from going down there, but it's too skinny to touch the bolts, so I just do it this way. There we go. Now, there's our hello, folks. Sorry about the lack of microphone. Anyway, what I just did here on this, I call it Roper Whitney punch, is I popped some holes in here. What I'm going to plan on doing is line that up in the middle, so this free flows through here, and I'm going to weld a, not necessarily a nickel plated one, but I'm going to weld that in the middle so that when you put when you screw it down, it goes through. This one's a little bit off, but you know what? Yeah, that one's not. This one's definitely not dead center. This one is, yeah, you know, it's not perfect, but hey, it's better than. Yeah, I think one of them are one's out of whack. Yeah, I think I better redo one of them. Yeah, they're all out of whack. They're all out of whack, but you know what? It's gonna be underneath. Nobody's gonna notice. It's a little stuff. This one's off. That one's about dead on. That one's a little bit dead on. This one's a little bit off. But you know what? For what I'm doing, it's on the bottom, and nobody's gonna notice if this thing's on like this, and it's an 1/8 of an inch over, because that's what it's gonna be on the bottom, sticking out like that, but screwed in so you can adjust the height of it. I'm not welding it today though, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and next time you'll see me probably weld, because I got 4 of them here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Where did I get these? Some website that sells all kinds of weird fasteners. You have to order $50 for the ship in order to even order from them, which is stupid. And then you pay like $20 to shipping. And then I ordered the wrong. I wanted to get weld cups. Those, I got to reorder $50 for those things. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, click like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Ta-da.